Hello and welcome back to Facebook Mastery. Today we're going to learn how we can set up a two-factor authentication. Now what is that? Basically, that's an extra step of security where, aside from your password, when you log in to another device that Facebook doesn't recognize, you'll have to enter a special code. Now, to activate it, first go here, and then to Settings, and then Security and Login. Now, click here, Set up two-factor authentication, Edit, Get Started. Then you can either authentication app or text messages. So you have to put your number here. I'm just gonna put my phone number, add new, next. Alright. And then next. And then a code will enter your phone. Alright. And then wait for it. Click next. And then as you can see, you've successfully activated. You can also get text notification about new messages and posts and more, but I'm not going to turn that on. Just click finish. Now put in your password. And you are done. Thank you very much for tuning into this video. If you like it, please like it and subscribe. Thank you for watching.